Protect your entrances, parking areas, and restricted zones with automatic retractable Parklio Bollard. Use it to control vehicle access in private parking areas, residential and commercial buildings, pedestrian zones, or any location where entry needs to be limited, keeping vehicles moving only where they are allowed. With auto close, the bollard rises again after a vehicle passes, helping keep the area protected without requiring constant attention. As a plug-and-play device, it comes pre-configured and ready for quick installation and everyday use. Lower or raise it directly from your smartphone using the Parklio Connect app, and manage access without unnecessary manual work. You can share digital keys with multiple users and decide whether access should be temporary or permanent, making it simple to give control to residents, employees, guests, delivery services, maintenance teams, or anyone else who needs authorized entry. The bollard can also be operated via remote controller for fast and convenient access on site. The durable stainless steel construction makes Parklio Bollard suitable for intensive indoor and outdoor use. Simply choose the model that fits your location best: standard, solar, or ANPR. For more advanced parking management, Parklio Bollard can be paired with Parklio ANPR and Parklio PMS for a complete access control system. Want to learn more? Visit parklio.com and discover a smarter way to protect and manage your entrances.